Today we're doing something fun. We're testing what AI models you can realistically run on 10-year-old hardware. Not a brand new RTX card, not a 3090, not a 4000 series, a GTX 1070. This card came out in 2016. It has 8 gigabytes of VRAM. But here's the real-world situation. Windows and background apps are already using about 1.4 gigabytes. That means we only have about 6 gigabytes of free VRAM available for LM Studio. 6 gigs. We're showcasing 3 models only. One for everyday chat, one dedicated coder model, and one vision model that can analyze images. All of them are running in Q4 quantization, so they fit inside our 6 gigabyte limit. Quick high-level explanation of what 7B, 8B, and Q4 actually mean. When you see 7B or 8B, the B stands for billion. That number tells you how many parameters the model has. Parameters are basically the internal weights the model uses to understand patterns, language, and reasoning. So a 7B model has 7 billion parameters. An 8B model has 8 billion parameters. Generally speaking, more parameters can mean better reasoning and more capability, but it also means more memory usage. Now let's talk about Q4. Quantization is a compression technique. Normally, model weights are stored with very high precision numbers. That uses a lot of VRAM. Quantization reduces the precision of those numbers, so the model takes up less space. Q4 means the weights are compressed down to 4-bit precision. That dramatically lowers memory usage, which is why we can fit 7B and 8B models into about 6 gigabytes of free VRAM on a 1070. You trade a tiny bit of theoretical accuracy, but in real-world use, Q4 usually feels almost the same while using much less memory. And without quantization, none of this would run on 10-year-old hardware. And if you're not familiar with LM Studio, here's the quick version. LM Studio is a free desktop application that lets you run large language models locally on your own computer. You can browse, download, and manage tons of free open source LLM models directly inside the app. Chat models, coder models, vision models, all downloadable with a couple clicks, and all running locally without sending your data to the cloud. It's one of the easiest ways to turn older hardware like a 1070 into a usable local AI machine. Let's start with Llama 3.8B Instruct in Q4. This is our general purpose chat model. For this test, here's the exact prompt we're going to use. Give me 5 surprising facts about ancient Egypt. Make each one 2 sentences maximum and include something most people do not know. What we're looking for is coherence, speed, and whether this feels usable on a 10-year-old graphics card. On a GTX 1070, this model actually runs very smoothly. It loads quickly, it responds consistently, and it feels stable. For everyday brainstorming, outlining videos, planning projects, or writing scripts, this is the safest and most comfortable experience on this hardware. Now, before we move on to coding, quick plug. If you're into running powerful tech tools locally like this, check out our custom multi-boot drives at bootable.usbs.com. We build ultimate USBs packed with operating systems, recovery tools, and security environments so you can run amazing software anywhere without installing anything on your main machine. The link is in the description and tagged below. Back to the testing. Next up is Qwen 2.5 Coder 7B Instruct in Q4. This is our coding assistant. Here's the exact prompt we're using for this test. Write a Python script that scans a folder and creates a CSV file listing file name, size in megabytes, and last modified date. Then explain the code step by step. This checks structure, logic, and explanation clarity. On this GPU, it's still very usable. As long as you keep the context window reasonable and you're not loading huge conversation histories, it performs well enough to actually build things with. The fact that we can run a dedicated coder model locally on 10-year-old hardware is honestly impressive. Now for the most demanding one. Qwen 2.5 VL7B in Q4. The VL stands for Vision Language. This model can analyze images. And remember, we only have about 6 gigabytes of free VRAM, so this is right on the edge. For this test, we're going to upload an image. It could be a screenshot of a desktop, an error message, or even a cluttered photo. Here's the prompt we're using after the upload. Describe everything you see in this image in detail. Then list 3 important details someone might overlook. This tests recognition, reasoning, and descriptive ability. Now this is where you may notice slower responses. If LM Studio needs to offload some memory into system RAM, generation speed can drop. But the fact that we can run a vision-capable model locally on a GTX 1070 from 2016 is wild. Let's put this into perspective. This is 10-year-old hardware, 6 gigabytes of usable VRAM, and we are running a full 8B chat model, a dedicated coder model, and a vision model, locally. No cloud, no subscription, no sending data out. So here's the honest breakdown. Llama 3 8B Q4 is your smoothest overall experience. Qwen 2.5 Coder 7B Q4 is your best bet for programming work. Qwen 2.5 VL7B Q4 gives you vision capability, but it pushes this card the hardest. If you've got a 1070 sitting around collecting dust, you absolutely can turn it into a usable local AI workstation. 10-year-old hardware, still capable. Now the question is, should we benchmark token speed next? Compare quality across all 3? Or try pushing something even bigger just to see what breaks? Let me know.